I don't think there's many fairs that have a venue like this, and it's just a way to maybe get out of the crowd a little bit.
If you go up the walkway there, you see all the history. The churches, the jail, the broom makers, you know, the handmade jewelry, the old schools. It's just a lot to see and a lot of history.
Between blacksmithing, old antique equipment, sawmills, it's broad and it showcases so many different things.
There are so many artisans that have so much talent and produce so many beautiful things. It's just amazing to see and watch people as you demonstrate. They come over and you can show them how it all works and kind of the mechanics. And after they've tried it for a few minutes, they've made something. They've made a little piece of cloth and it's like, oh, I was weaving.
Your generation should be here to see how your parents, your grandparents, and your great-grandparents lived. That's something you won't get anywhere else. You can't read it in a book. Come and see it.
We get kids that come in that have literally never used a tool, never swung a hammer, and we teach them that they can do things with their hands.
It's important here at Fiddlers Grove to keep the history alive. It's a dying art. There's less than 30 of us in the United States that make a broom that you can take down off the wall and actually sweep the floor with.
And it's in action, you know, things are going on, it's in action. It's showing you how they did it many years ago. I enjoy that part.
You're going to see something or learn something that you didn't know before. It's going to help you to appreciate Fiddlers Grove, appreciate our city of Lebanon. It's just a great experience overall.